building enterprise software 4 times faster is now possible. Thanks to Xamun, your all-in-one AI-powered software development platform. By integrating AI, low-code, and bots, Xamun streamlines the development process, making it easier for you and your team. Now, let's see how Xamun can help you effortlessly build your next software project. Xamun consists of 4 key components: the Ideation Studio, Design Studio, Project Hub, and Build Studio. Xamun covers the entire cycle of coming up with project ideas, then move to designing it, then building, and finally, go live. If you already have a project in mind, then you can skip the first step and go straight to designing your software. Now let's explore each component of Xamun in detail. Exploring new ideas or revisiting the viability of projects in your pipeline? The Ideation Studio is a powerful tool where you can ideate, plan, and evaluate all your strategic projects in one place. Here, you can brainstorm new project ideas with Samantha, our AI project advisor, or review, add or remove modules inside your project and request for a cost estimate. Lastly, the Ideation Studio makes it easier to set prioritization and ultimately assess the ROI of your potential projects. Next is the Design Studio, the hub where your ideas take shape. Let's see how it all comes together. Let's start with Xamun. After you have decided on which software you want to develop, Xamun, our AI solution advisor, will assist you by providing you with a list of modules needed for your solution. Next, set up your solution using the Solution Configurator, where you can add or remove modules to your solution. Then, seamlessly export your solution to the Figma component library. Use both your solution and the library to design it in Figma. The Xamun library has ready Figma designs that can be used and refined for the solution. With Figma, you can even set page links and create a prototype for upper management to review. Once final, upload your design back into Xamun. The next part in the design process is setting user stories, which Xamun can help through its user story generator powered by AI. Further details for your solution, such as calculations and computations and API integrations, can also be added in this step. And when everything's set, simply request a quotation. Now let's see how you can manage your projects in Xamun. The Project Hub is a centralized portal for managing future, ongoing, and completed projects. It is also the place where you can collaborate seamlessly with the design, testing, and build teams. In the Project Hub, you can jump back to the Design Studio to edit your existing project's design. You can also request for a proposal or quotation for the project. Once your project is active and already on the build stage, you can collaborate with the development team, test the built app, and manage payments. You may also access closed projects to review past solutions and even reactivate old projects if needed. Xamun's Build Studio is where you get your project off the ground quickly. After designing your user interface in the Design Studio, developers can do code-level adjustments here to meet your specific needs. Developers can then generate entities using the AI interpreter, and the appropriate data definitions and relations are then configured in the Data Entity Designer. With one click, the entire back-end of the software is generated and unit tested, including the database, the APIs and documentation available through Swagger, and the identity server used for user settings and access control. After this, developers set the app logic and computation through a workflow type configurator, and the backend is connected to the front end via APIs. Lastly, working modules can be published to the sandbox for testing while the team continues developing the rest of the solution. With Xamun, building scalable, high-quality web and mobile software has never been easier and faster. To know more, visit Xamun.ai.